Hey stars, it is your girl KristynAlexis, and in today's video we are doing a haul with New York & Company. So as most of you know, I am a corporate career girl. I am really excited because in my role I have a lot of opportunities where I'm going to be going into meetings that are very professional, and I needed some pieces to really set me up to be perfectly suited for those experiences. So with that being said, I'm doing this haul, and I'm also excited about this haul because not only is it the first time I've worked with this company, but they have a couple new collaborations on their website and with their brand that are really amazing, and I feel like fit perfectly with my body type. So with that being said, I have a couple pieces from Gabrielle Union's collaboration as well as Eva Mendes, and I loved both of their collections, and it sounds like a lot of you guys love their collections too. Also have another piece from outside of the collection and just a few items that I've picked up and picked out thanks to New York & Company, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So with that, if you want to get any of the pieces that I have, I do have some links in the description box, but in total transparency, the links in the description box are going to get you to their website, but they are affiliate links, so just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. But with no further ado, let me show you these pieces. Let me show you guys why I am so excited and why I'm loving everything that I got. So let's just start with this first piece. I have this one-piece jumpsuit that I picked out from their website, and you guys, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm so excited. I'm just shocked as to why I have not been purchasing from them in the past. This is such a great transition. I'm gonna have a lot more pieces from them in the future. But with that being said, the reason why I'm excited about this is because not only does it fit my body type really well, it also is a great material. Like, the material feels so good. Feels like it'd be easy to care for, but at the same time is going to wear nicely. Like, these are things you'll purchase and they will stay in your wardrobe for a really long time as long as you take care of them. I just feel like this looks good. It's very flattering, and your girl is just feeling like she's so cute. So I'm for sure going to be wearing this to work in the summertime when I have like my meetings that I want to look really nice for at work. So this is the first piece. I'm loving it. I hope you guys like it too. If you do like it, comment below in the comment section and let me know. But I got a couple more pieces that I'm super excited about that I want to show you guys. So let's just go ahead. Let me show you the next item. And this next item, this is coming from Gabrielle Union's line. Number one, I feel like what really just turned me on to this piece, made me so excited about it, is I'm a girl who loves black, but also I like how it cut underneath the armpit without showing your bra, as well as the ruching in the back is such a nice touch. I like how they show the zipper in the back of this dress, and it's really nicely done. Like, the way they cut the material, the way everything is fitted. You would think this piece would be way more expensive than it is, but it was priced at a really nice price. So I'm in love with this piece. I cannot wait to wear it. I'm for sure going to be wearing it to work when I have a really big meeting, just because I want to look my best, but at the same time, we're so casual, so I can get away with the no sleeves and all that good stuff. So I highly recommend this one too. If you want to check it out, it's in the description box. Just to kind of help you guys out too, I'm 5'5" tall. I know I look a little bit taller on camera, but I'm 5'5" tall. I'm about 158 pounds, and my measurements are 36 triple D. I'm about 30 on my waist, and my hips are a size 43. I picked up a couple accessories in this haul. I needed a black belt, and this is a really good quality belt. It's funny, a lot of times when you order from companies, the quality of things like this, of accessories, can be kind of hit or miss, and I was really happy that this belt is a really nice quality belt. It feels like something you would have spent a lot more money on. So I did pick this up. I needed it, and it's something I'm for sure going to be using a lot because it's gonna go perfect with this bag that I have that I really haven't worn either, this Gucci bag that I picked up a while back. So I really like this a lot, and you know, it's just like a simple little pickup. But I will say, check out their accessories section because they've got things like that that just fit in perfectly to complete your full wardrobe. As well as, let me just show you guys, I saw this was another piece from Gabrielle's line. In my opinion, you can never have too many pieces like this, like accessories, that kind of make you look like girly bougie, but at the same time they're practical. So for me, I could see this being something I like throw my laptop in, or maybe even my workout clothes when I'm running to the gym and just need like a quick change of clothes, or you know, I don't know, I just feel like there's a lot of practical situations I could use a little bag like this. It's just kind of an additional bag to throw some things in. Maybe even like a really quick, when I'm running to Lansing to visit my mom and I need some stuff to take with me, and you know, change of clothes. It's got this zipper on the inside so you can put like your little things that are gonna float around, and it's just really cute. I'm loving the fur. I'm loving how it says Union on the front. This is something I know I'm gonna be using. It's very practical and will fit right into my wardrobe. Okay, you guys, so I am like a simple girl. I love black, but I love red. Red is kind of another classic color in my opinion. And this dress, it fit like a glove. It was so beautiful. This is part of the Eva Mendes line, and I feel like her pieces, like when I was looking on the website, her pieces look like pieces that would be very flattering to curvy girls, and even for the non-curvy girls, but I feel like the pieces are really flattering, the way that they were cut, the way they looked like on the models on the website. I was excited to see this. Another thing that I really like about this red piece is the way that it's cut in the material. The material is another one of those, it's like one of those materials that you know is gonna last you a really long time as long as you take care of it. So I also like that because I tend to be a little bit on the I'm not the girl who's always gonna be running to the dry cleaner, so this stuff was appealing to me for that, from that perspective as well. But I love how this look. Let me know if you guys like this one too. So the last piece that I got in this haul is this really pretty dress. I actually wore this to church for Easter and I felt so comfortable, and I got a lot of compliments on this. I got this in a size large. I probably actually could have gotten this in a size medium. I did end up actually having to adjust the belt just a little bit to get it to fit around my waist perfectly, but love the color. Perfect dress for summer and for spring. The material is one of those materials where if you're on the chilly side on that day, you can still put your jacket on. I had like a trench coat on with this and looked lovely, felt comfortable, but if it was also warm, you could be very comfortable in this too. So really feeling it. Very impressed by this line. You guys are going to see a lot more of their pieces on my website, regardless of if they're provided to me or not. But I'm really excited, love everything, and I can't say too much more. So I hope you guys are feeling these pieces. And if you want to see more from this brand on my channel, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, as well as let me know in the comment section. I have some more hauls coming for you guys. I'm just trying to like fill out my wardrobe from all different perspectives and angles. So we're gonna have some casual stuff coming. We're gonna have some stuff for travel because I have some trips coming up. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you're a newbie to my channel, subscribe, because I like to give you guys like the best of both worlds, all different angles, and just keep you abreast to what is going on in the life of KristynAlexis. But with that, I'll see you guys in my next upload. I love you as always, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!